Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of concept that is called boats and stream. It is one of the very important topic in time, speed, distance concept. So the same we are calculating here, time, speed and distance by means of boats and stream. Stream is nothing but water. Water is also known as current. Let's see the concept first. Speed of the man and boat. How we can calculate the speed of the man and boat? The both word are same, boatman or speed of the man. Here upstream, downstream, the two words are very important. Here upstream and downstream, two words are very important. What is that as? Upstream means we are traveling inside the water. Say example, we are swimming. So we are swimming, we are taking the boat and go inside the water. So this is called upstream. The upstream is also known as against with water. A boatman travels against with water. Downstream. Downstream, when returning from the stream, it is known as downstream. It is also known as a boatman traveling along with water. Let's see the concept. Yeah, this is your first question. A man can row upstream at 10 km per hour and downstream at 18 km per hour. Find the man's rate in still water. The speed of the boat. How we can calculate the speed of the boat or man? Speed of the boat is equal to downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. See, what is your upstream speed here? 10 km per hour. See, what is your downstream speed here? 18 km per hour. So, downstream speed is 18 plus upstream speed is 10 divided by 2. 28 divided by 2, that is 14 km per hour. Okay, so downstream is nothing but the boat travels from water. Okay, upstream is the boat is going inside the water. For example, swimming and return back. So this is the shortcut of finding the speed of the boat in still water, or the boat is activated by man. It is also known as speed of the boatman. Let's see another example. Yeah, in 1 hour, a boat goes 12 km along the stream. Along the stream in the sense, see, it is also known as downstream. So, for 1 hour, the boat goes 12 km along the stream and 6 km per hour against the stream. So, it is 1 hour means downstream speed is equal to distance divided by time. So, distance is 12, time taken is 1 hour. Anyway, the downstream speed is 12 km per hour. Similarly, the upstream speed is equal to distance divided by time. What is the distance here? 6 km. Time taken is 1 hour. So, 6 km per hour is the upstream speed. And the speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat is equal to downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. So, downstream speed, what is your downstream speed here? 12 plus what is your upstream speed here? 6. 12 plus 6 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 18 divided by 2 is 9 km per hour. So here we are calculating as usual speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time taken only. Is there no change in that? Here the speed is considered they are in the stream. So that's why we are saying downstream speed. Okay, we'll move on to our next question. A man swims downstream 40 km in 5 hours and upstream 24 km in 2 hours. What is the speed in still water? First of all, we need to calculate the downstream speed as well as upstream speed. Here downstream speed is equivalent to distance divided by time taken. What is the distance? 40. Time taken is 5. So while cancelling it is 8 km per hour. So downstream speed is 8 km per hour. And upstream speed, we need to calculate the upstream speed here. How we can calculate upstream speed? Upstream speed is equivalent to distance divided by time taken. So upstream 24 km in 2 hours, it is also known as 12 km per hour. While cancelling by 2, this is called as 12 km per hour. This is upstream speed and this is downstream speed. So afterwards we want to calculate the speed of the, what is a speed? Speed of the man. Speed of the man is nothing but speed of the boatman. So which is equivalent to speed of the boatman, which is equivalent to downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. So what is your downstream speed? 8 km per hour plus 2 km per hour, 12 km per hour is your upstream speed divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10 km per hour. Answer is option C. Yeah, this is the example of how we can calculate the speed of the boat or speed of the boatman. Thank you for watching.